Hey, Lord Glitters here. Now you're probably wondering, why am I doing a how to put contacts video in? Well, I have a reasoning behind that. I'm not gonna divulge why I'm doing it, just kind of like a little experiment, but if it works, we'll go into further detail later on at another date, see how it works. Anyway, so we're gonna be putting some contacts in, and I just woke up, my hair ain't did, I'm looking rough. But hey, life don't always start out pretty, does it? So, we got our contacts here, these AccuView hydrate lenses or whatever the doctors, told me what it is. But first, very important step, even though I haven't done myself today, I got my lotion on, and let me tell you, this hemp triple moisture. Now, I'm talking to you white people, black people, we lotion up a lot, like 2 or 3 times a day. And I know some of y'all don't do that, but listen, everybody's skin gets dry, so put some lotion on. And fellas, you put some of that lotion on, you get in bed, and your lady standing next to you, laying next to you, and she touches you, she could be like, oh, baby, you soft. And yeah, things gonna happen. But anyway, let's take these glasses off. We're gonna start. Now, I'm gonna have to lay the phone down for a second because I'm gonna have to put a contact actually on my finger. We're gonna start with the left one first. Be sure you put the right contact in. It's very, very important. And this contact is like super rolled up right now, so it is not cooperating. All right, so you wanna grab that first contact. Can you see that? Let me get that there. You wanna put it at the edge of your fingertip, like that. You want to grab your eyeball. I'm going to use the screen. I'm concentrating, like super concentrating. Try to get it in the middle of your pupil right there. Roll it around, be a little careful, blink a little bit. Don't be scared of it touching your eye. It ain't going to hurt you. They're soft, so it's going to be real easy to do. See how easy that was to do? Boom, done. All right, let's grab the next one. Y'all are probably like, this dude is crazy. He is actually doing a video about putting contacts in his eye. What is wrong with this guy? All right, we got the other one on our finger here. I'm actually surprised I'm actually using the, I'm gonna use the mirror this time so y'all can, I don't know if y'all can see me or not. Can y'all see me? All right, let's do this. Boom, I am a professional contact installer. And there, hey, I can see. Now I will show you, so it's kind of the ghetto version of putting contacts in. So there's leading brands of contact solution, people get. We get the Equate. I live in the South, we go cheap. This is the multi-purpose solution, retains moisture for lasting comfort. So I'm pretty sure all this stuff is the same. I don't care. If the other one's more expensive, they line. It's all like water and saline solution and stuff like that. But don't use water. I tried that once. Yeah, water does not work. It's just gonna dry your eye out. Another important thing, especially for first-time contact users, if you get this, solution, be sure it's the multi-purpose solution. That is very important. So, true story. So, my girl gets this solution. She thought it was the solution we normally buy. Well, it was actually a cleaning solution that you had to let the contact sit in for like 10 or 15 days. She got it, I was looking for some solution, and I grabbed it, and I noticed, it's kind of weird. Why did you start putting red tops on top of the solution bottles? It was really hard to open, and of course, stupid me, I did not read to see what was actually on that bottle. Needless to say, so I grab a contact, I pour the solution in the bottle, or on the contact. I put the contact in my eye. The minute it touched my eye, I'm talking burning sensation, like somebody got some habanero sauce and poured it in my eye. So I'm screaming, yelling, I'm trying to grab the contact, and the contact, it gets so shriveled and burnt up that it actually goes up into my eyelid. So I'm literally probably scratching my eyeball at this point, just trying to get the contact out. My eye is bloodshot red. I'm in pain, I'm grabbing water, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. So I read the bottle, And, you know, I see what it is. You know, I'm freaking out. I'm like, do I go to the hospital? You know, what do I do? You know, and, you know, I start reading the instructions. You know, I'm just freaking out. And it said, you know, don't worry, as long as it wasn't, you know, a long, prolonged contact on the eye, just be sure to wash it out real good, and I should be good to go. But my eye was like bloodshot red for pretty much the most of the day. So, lesson be told, make sure you're getting the right contact solution, or you could seriously mess your eye up. Well, that's it for me. You know, we got our contacts in. That was easy, right? You know, don't be scared. You know, first time users, you should be good to go. We're gonna get this video uploaded. Of course, Lord Glitterous, you know, uncut, real action, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.